Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you're doing well. And here is the little bit update in that ATM strategy. So you guys will get surprised when you see these facts and how the market you can catch a very nice and very uh, good moves and good direction. Okay, so that's gonna help you a lot to improve your trading. Okay, so let's see and start talk about our strategy. As I was telling you before, if you remember about these, if you haven't watched my previous video about the ATM strategy, so you can just go and watch that video which is on my YouTube channel. Okay, and then you will find how to set up all these chart as you can see over here. Okay, this chart and how I plotted this one, the Ichimoku cloud down here, and the Chico span, and this one the stochastic. Okay, once again a quick make a, give you a setup again if you are new to watch. So take a look here. Here is the Ichimoku cloud 5 to 52. Okay, 5 to 52, and here is the Chico span, and this is the stochastic setup which I update. I upgrade this strategy, the ATM, which gonna give you a very accurate signal, and you will make good money. 21 3 10 slow. Okay, so that's how it is. If you see the K period 21, D period is 3, and the slowing one is 10, and you can just plot it on here. But how are you going to bring this one here? I'll show you quick. And here is the navigator. You go to the stochastic. Okay, so when you go stochastic right here, you're going to take the stochastic, drag it to this data area. Okay, this indicator place, not over here on the main chart, just right here, and boom, you're gonna do the setup right here. This it's like 21 3 and 10 slowing. Okay, and then okay, it will be right over here. So how you gonna use this one now, I'll just tell you and very quick give you update about this one. If you go to any market, doesn't matter you are in Euro G, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, doesn't matter. Okay, the main thing is you need to know which direction you're gonna take your trade. It's so easy and simple. Okay, so the first thing is most people are very want to know about we want to catch high of the day and low of the day. Trade only, keep these things in the mind. Trade only high of the day and low of the day. If you don't know what is the day period, you can see here, click on your chart, come to the properties, and just click on this one right over here. You can see the show period. You can see this one here. You can see the lines. Okay, here. So when you click OK, it will be lines come over on your chart, which gonna show you in 15 and 30 minutes. Okay, yeah, in the day in 1 hour it's gonna be like this. In 4 hour it might shows not the right one because it's gonna make more. So you better go in 30 minutes. You can trade with it, or better go on 15 minutes. Okay, so these two time frame you keep in mind, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. You can trade, you can find your setup very easily. No need to panic, guys. I'm telling you, no need to panic. Okay, so let's just find our setup, how it is, how the ATM strategy works. Okay, the first thing, we enter into, suppose this day. Okay, we enter into this day, as you can see right here, and we want to catch our move. It's so simple and easy. Okay, here we are, and we don't know what to do, which way the market is gonna go and give us the direction, the right liquidity sweep, trend line, this that. Oh, don't get in that troubles. what you have to do is in this area, okay, I'll just mark it for you guys so you will know which direction you're going to take your trade. I don't know where is the ships. Okay, okay, indicators here in the chart. Well, I don't find it on this one. Anyways, just be around here in this area, okay, as you can see right this point. Okay, come down straight to the strategy box. Here's our strategy box. If you see, there's a cloud, the green, and it shows the gray. Okay, whenever you see the stochastic below the cloud, or it's take exit from the cloud, or it's get enter to the cloud, I'm gonna show you exact what you have to do. Okay, see right over here the stochastic is, you can see it just going in and enter to the cloud. Okay, so you will think I'm gonna take trade to buy. Yes, you're right, but you will not buy until this green Chico span take exit from the cloud. So when it was taking exit from the cloud, but you see the stochastic came back down under the cloud, so you're not gonna go for buy. Now the stochastic and the cloud strategy, it shows you have to get ready for the sell signal. So what you have to do, wait for the sell. Okay, now the Chico span come into the cloud right over here. Okay, the stochastic under the cloud, and it's take exit, and here is your sell. So simple and easy. This is your sell point. So guys, just keep in mind, okay, just keep in mind when it is your sell, okay, and the Chico span exit from the cloud in this area. So when enter into the cloud, which was the area, this one, that top, yeah, and above this top your stop loss is just right here. Okay, and 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, or 1 to 5. Okay, you have to keep that things in the mind when we are trading in 15 and 30 minute, okay, the day trading. So we have to go with 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, and we can take our trade and profit and exit from the market. Or if you want to know when you can exit from the market, just simply wait for the stochastic to come all the way down here, okay, to the oversold area, or the Chico span go into the cloud back, you can see over here, then you exit from your trade. Okay, so what you have to do is you're gonna wait for a new setup to take it. Okay, so if you're thinking I want to take a trade from here, why not this move to catch up? Yeah, you can do that, very easy and simple. Okay, when into the cloud, but you're not gonna go buy and wait for the stochastic to come exit from this region. Okay, then you can take a short, just a little bit, you have to quick exit from the move, because if you see and you're familiar with the price action a little bit, so we already break this structure over here. Okay, we already break this structure right at this point, so that's mean that move not gonna go back all the way up, it's gonna just go to the discount area. Okay, and here you can see again next move. So when we're gonna take the next move again, even you're taking the trade, you think the stochastic came into the cloud or maybe exit from the cloud, and you wait for this one to take exit and you take a trade. So you took a trade over here. Okay, and then 1 2, this one is just a little bit up, and it's went to where, to the overbought region, and what happens, the Chico span back into the cloud, so that's mean it's a new move start to going down. So what happened again, you take the trade for the sell direction on the next day. This was the previous day, the next day. So we're going to talk about the next day, how to take this trade now. Okay, take a look here, we are that region. Okay, so what happened in overbought, and here the Chico span take exit from the cloud to the downside. When the stochastic take exit from this area, okay, and the Chico span already downside of the cloud, then this is your sell entry. When you take your sell entry from here, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward ratio, as you can see, okay, and it's get back into the cloud this area. So when it's get back into the cloud, then you can take exit from your trade. Okay, it's like a very nice move. Okay, and then you can make enough good money. But in this area, the market consolidation, you can see over here, it's a sideways move. Okay, it's a very sideways move. So how you know it's a sideways move? If you see the stochastic here, it's not going to be in the trending phase. Okay, it's going to be in the sideways phase right here. You can see up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, but even if you are going to take a trade, so what you have to do is, if it's exit from the cloud and the Chico span exit, then you're gonna go for buy. But the Chico span is not taking exit to the upwards upside, and it's down level or inside the cloud. Okay, that's mean you're not gonna go for buy, so you cannot lose your trade. Okay, so when the market came in down here, you can see here this area, the stochastic just take exit, okay, and back into the cloud. So when into the cloud and the stochastic take exit from the cloud over here, and you see the green is also out from the cloud, okay, the Chico span, that's your buy. Okay, so when you take a buy until it's reach up to the top, okay, you are in buy direction. Okay, now back to another day. If you see over here, as I told you, high of the day and low of the day. Okay, let's get ready. So we're gonna see here in this area, the stochastic came into the cloud and took exit from the cloud to the downside, and the Chico span also took exit from the cloud to the downside. So here is our sale. Okay, some of them, like in the previous day, was a little bit maybe consolidation or maybe a one trade losing trade, but the rest of which you can see, most of them is going to be the winning trade. Okay, you can see over here how many pips are there. Okay, and then when the stochastic into the cloud, it goes into the cloud, your day start here, we are inside the stochastic in the cloud. Okay, so what you have to do is, when it goes into the cloud, you already know you're going to look for the buy. Okay, and the Chico span already inside the cloud, so what you have to do is you're gonna go for the buy. As you can see over here, this is also a winning trade. Okay, and then if you see right in this point, it's like a long term. I'm gonna tell you now, right in this area, from this region all the way to the top. Why is that? Okay, it because of we are exit the stochastic exit from the cloud. So when the stochastic exit from the cloud to the upside, okay, any time it's a re-entry you can call, or it's like the trigger point. It's gonna show you anytime the Chico span take exit from the cloud, you go for buy. If it's inside and it's take exit outside, you go for buy. Okay, it's inside now. Take a look, the stochastic was in the buy mood. Okay, you can see over here it's in a buy mood. So when the Chico span take exit from the cloud, it's your buy. Take a look here, it's very simple here. Okay, we're not gonna buy, and it's exit over here. When it's exit over here, then our buy mood from this candle is start. Take a look here. Okay, that's it, simple and easy. And if you see over here now, in this area the stochastic down from the cloud took exit downside. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna look for the sell trade only. So when the Chico span take exit to the downside, right this point, exit, yeah, and then Here is our sale. Very simple and easy strategy. Okay, let's just jump into another pair. Okay, like this one, most of the time it's a sideways, but anyways, let's get back to the last okay, take a look here. Here the stochastic exit from the cloud to the upside, the Chico span exit, this is our buy. Okay, it came into the cloud and the Chico span exit, it's a buy. Okay, take a look here. The Chico span come into the cloud, our sell mood is on because we are in the our bought region. Okay, and if you're more patiently can wait, so let the stochastic exit from here and then you go for sale. We already inside in the cloud, the Chico span, and then you sell the market. Take a look here. Okay, now here in this area, take a look, the current area. What are we gonna do here? We will see only the stochastic came into the cloud, it's our bought our sold region, but we already came into the cloud. Okay, so when the Chico span, because it's a oversold region, okay, be careful with that. So when stochastic insert the cloud, what we have to just wait, let the Chico span come in and take exit. When it take exit, that's your buy point. So the market gonna make already break of structure here, change of character, come back for retest and buy. So what happens here, it's gonna play all this system, all this price action, and it take exit and you go for buy. Any other pair, even you take it, chef or any other pair you take it, as you can see over here, let me show you not just 1-2 example. There's 1,000 of examples. If you are in you keep in your mind, see, this is our what are you calling it, this is our key points or entries. If you see over here, the stochastic take exit from the cloud and Chico span also take exit, then it's your buy. You can see here, and then we're gonna wait for the market to give us the signal that stochastic come into the cloud. Yes, it came into the cloud, but the Chico span exit little bit from the cloud, so wait for it to come enter. Okay, it's in now here. This is our sale. Take a look. Okay, the same thing over here in this area. You can see here, okay, it's came into the cloud. Okay, it's came into the cloud. We already in our bought region, and it came into the cloud from the upside to the down, so we're not gonna go for sale yet. Wait, let the stochastic come in. The stochastic come in here in this area, and here is the Chico span exit, and take a look. 1 2 3, this is your move. How simple it is. Okay, I'm not gonna go back much more for the next example. Trade, keep in mind the day. Okay, so take a look here. The stochastic already exit the top of area of the cloud. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for our trigger point where we're gonna take a trade. Let the Chico span take exit to the upside of the cloud, and here this point, take a look in this area, take exit to the upside. That's it. Take your trade, go withdraw your money from the ATM. So simple and easy, guys. Very simple and easy. No need to wait for many hours to find and catch your entries. Just drag. You can see here, check what is showing. Oh, there is. Take a look here. It's in our bot already. Okay, it's in our bot already, but the market is in a bullish trend. You can see over here. So when the market, the Chico span come into the cloud, when it's come into the cloud, it shows a bit pullback because the breakout happened here. Okay, and it come into the cloud. That is your discount area. The market came in, and then wait for the Chico span to take exit, and you trigger your trade. It's gonna go up. Like the same thing, like exact the same thing happened in this area. You can see here, it came in the pullback. Okay, and then exit from the cloud. So when it take exit from the cloud, it's gonna go in the high mood. If you are a little bit worried about, I'll show you something. In this area the stochastic is down and this is taking exit, but the stochastic doesn't go inside the cloud. How it's go up, I show you. Take a look, the next hour time frame. Did you see, guys? The stochastic is already on the buy area, in the buy mood. In the buy mood, keep these things in the mind. It's already in the buy mood. So when it's in the buy mood, in a smaller time frame, 30-minute or 15-minute, you go back, wait for the Chico span to take exit from the cloud. Simple, nothing to worry. It's very simple. That's a little bit people confusing the time frames, okay, confusing the time frames. So but you need, if you know how to use the time frames, you can very easily take these trades and you can consistently make money with this strategy. Okay, take a look here, it's already exit from the cloud. So when it's exit from the cloud, I'm talking about our base, okay, our time frame. So we're gonna wait for the Chico span to take exit, even not to wait to exit from the cloud, because we already in a very bullish momentum of the stochastic. So when go into the cloud, you can take your trade, but it's gonna keep little bit, you know, hit your stop loss maybe, or if your stop loss is below quite far away, it's going to be very big stop loss. But what you have to do is just wait for the exit the cloud. Here is our signal, exit from the cloud. Take a look, this is your stop loss only. Here's the exit and that's it. Okay, and take a look, this one here, we are in the cloud, exit from both, and there you can see how many pips are there, you can see. So that's how you practice this one in your demo account. If you are confused a little bit with the time frame or the stochastic already in the buy or not in the sell, okay, it's very simple and easy. Okay, it's very simple and easy. You have to go one time frame further and then you will see the same situation which it shows over here. Take a look here. What are we gonna do here? Okay, it's down exit and we are down of the cloud, so that's mean we're gonna sell the market. But you think the stochastic is going upwards to the cloud, so maybe it's go buy. Yeah, you're right, but go a little bit a bigger time frame. Here, 101% this market is in sale. Okay, that's it. I'm telling you guys, you note it. Okay, NZD JPY, check when the market is open on the Monday, then you check where the market take move from this area. Okay, from this area where the market take move. Okay, why is that? Because the stochastic come into the cloud, Chico span inside into the cloud came, yeah, okay, change of character, retest, and boom, down. That's how you take the trade. Okay, in a smaller time frame, it's already showing you we are in the sell mood. Exit, we are in the sell mood. So hope you enjoy and hope you learn something. Try practice on the demo account. Make sure subscribe my channel, thumbs up, like, share with your friends. Okay, and see you again with a new good and upgraded videos. Take care of yourself a lot. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.